Yo, 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 what's up, dudes and dudettes? This is Dustin with Sentra Dynamics, here with an update on the Aero package on the 1997 Nissan Sentra. I started with 27 miles per gallon when I bought the car. I am currently up to 33 miles per gallon. I did a tune-up, fixed a vacuum leak, and of course, the Aero package. If you saw my last video, you noticed that I added a big fat chunk of sheet metal to the car, to the front end. That went down to about right here approximately. I added this piece of plastic that you see on the bottom. I got that off of a barrel that I got for free on Craigslist. So far, pretty much all the material has been for free. The sheet metal I got off of an old water heater. The only thing that I really have into it is screws, zip ties. This piece of expanded steel, I already had that laying around, so I'm going to call that free. I don't know if I actually paid for that or not. I probably got it for free somewhere. Anyways, got the front end all taped off because I'm gonna paint this all up, make it look a little bit nicer because it's just got some rock chips and stuff. When I did my last test run at 33 miles per gallon, this piece was actually on the car, so it was pretty low. I was scraping on everything. I was scraping on speed bumps. I got my car stuck up on a curb at the gas station. So it was really too low. It really was not practical for a daily driver because this is my daily driver. So I'm trying to make it, practical, functional, drivable, and also increase the mileage while still keeping it, kind of looking like a car. I also cut out a little bit, I stepped up the front air dam right here. Cut that little chunk out. That's going to really kind of promote the flow of air to go underneath the car. The under tray that I had on there was made out of sheet metal. It was kind of annoying, kind of loud, just rattling when I hit bumps. So I took that off. I'll add a plastic under tray. Anyways, yep, that's pretty much it for the update on Lil Bitty, the 1997 Sentra. If you are super interested in this kind of stuff, definitely feel free to come on back. Subscribe, give me a like on the video. I know everybody says that, blah, 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 like, subscribe, but I would super really appreciate it. Also, I want to take this moment to say thank you to all the subscribers I have. Right now I only have 18 subscribers, but hey, that's better than 0, right? Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate this. This is just a fun hobby. I promise you I will not monetize the channel. I'm not going to put a bunch of ads. Nobody wants to see ads. People want to see the car. They want to see what's going on. That's what I'm doing here. This is for fun, to show people kind of what I'm doing, and maybe, maybe I could inspire somebody else to kind of do something cool with their car. So thank you very much for watching. You guys are amazing, and come on back for some more awesome videos.